Hello, my name is Leng, and in this podcast, I would like to talk about a few things, but most importantly, I just want to make sure that my friends and my family know that I'm doing good, I'm okay, I moved on from my situation, so don't worry about me, you know? So I get, asked a lot about, hey Lang, are you doing okay? Are you fine? Stuff like that, And, like I was saying just, a couple seconds ago, I'm okay, and I think a lot of people worry just because I don't go out, I don't do anything, But hey, I'm a simple man, and, the things I do are very simple, I like to stay home, stay out of trouble, watch my kids, and, mess around with my cars. And, that makes me happy, well, for now at least, So I understand that people are looking out for me, and maybe they just wanted me to, feel a little better, that I have a partner next to me, But, maybe I do, and she's just not here right now. But regardless, I just want to let you guys know that, I've been, thinking positive the past couple months, And for my situation, maybe a lot of people might not handle it the way I do, or maybe not a lot of guys can handle the way I do, For myself, I just thought to myself, you know what? I'm gonna be the better person and just smile through everything, I don't want to harm her. I do not want to do anything that I'm gonna regret. And guys, listen, no woman's worth going to jail for, So, that's that's a serious thought right there. So, I just want to thank, Bobby Lore, my little cousin. So he once told me, when I was in a tough situation, that, he heard what happened, and he knows that, I can go through it. I'm strong, because I was the captain of a football team. And when he said that, I opened my eyes and realized, a lot of people look up to me, and maybe they look up to me because they want guidance, strength, the stuff that keeps you going. And when he said that, I made a promise to myself that, I'm gonna move on, and I'm gonna get past this, and no matter what the situation is, I'm not gonna let it bother me. So guys, only you can make yourself happy. Nobody else can, And definitely no negative thoughts. You don't need to hurt anybody. You just need to smile through everything, and let karma do its thing. And by the way, when you smile through through these situations, it's only gonna make the other person even madder at you. That how come you're so happy? You know what I mean? So guys, be positive, and don't let other people ruin your life for you. Because you know what? We only got one life, and you gotta make it count. You know what I mean? And like I was saying earlier, only you can make yourself happy. And whether it's staying home, go to the bar, go racing, do what you want to do, and don't let nobody tell you what you can't do. And just think positive. Like I said, just positive. I know I keep saying that word, but you know what? It worked for me. I'm a pretty simple man, and I'm a pretty positive man. So, like I said, most importantly, guys, friends and family, I moved on. Thank you for listening.